Welcome back to online classes. Last class we discussed about fixed capital and what do you mean by fixed capital and what are the factors will affecting of fixed capital. Last class we discussed. Today we are going to discuss about working capital. Okay, this is last topic in this chapter. In financial management chapter, this is last topic. Okay, we will understand now what is working capital, what are the factors will affecting working capital. Let us discuss now. Okay, tell me, I think all of you know what do you mean by working capital. In account subject, you will get working capital, fixed capital, current assets, current liabilities. You will get, I think, no, you will get, and you will already solve problems in working capital. In ratios only you will get what is the working capital and what are the formula of the working capital you will get. In business studies also is there, on topic is there, in the on chapter is there. Okay, now we will understand what is the working capital means. Working capital is the excess of current liabilities over the current assets. Excess of current assets over the current liabilities is called as a working capital. Working capital means excess of current assets over the current liabilities. Over the current liabilities is called as working capital. Is called as working capital. Working capital means excess of current assets. Excess of current assets over the current liabilities is called as working capital. Okay. In current assets, if you will less current liabilities means remaining balance. Remaining balance is working capital. Working capital formula is, see here, formula working capital equals current assets minus current liabilities. Current assets minus current liabilities. In current assets, if you less current liabilities means you will get working capital. Okay, I think you will get one doubt. What do you mean current liabilities? What do you mean current assets means? Okay, now we will discuss that one. What do you mean current assets means? Current asset is those assets which is easily converted into the cash. It is easily converted into the cash. Is called as a current assets. Current assets means it is easily converted into the cash. Easily convert into cash is called as current assets. What are the current assets means? Cash in hand, cash at bank, stock, bills receivable, and debtors. These are all current assets Example: stock in, stock, cash at bank, cash in hand, bills receivable, debtors. And what do you mean by current liabilities? Means current liabilities means it is payment obligations. It is payment obligation. Within 1 year we have to pay. Okay. Current liabilities means it is payment obligation. Within 1 year we have to pay the amount. Is called as current liabilities. For example is creditors, bills, payable, prepaid expenses, outstanding, incomes. Outstanding incomes. See here, these are all current liabilities. Okay. Current liabilities means it is a payment obligations. Within the 1 year we have to pay. What are that means? Creditors, bills payable, prepaid expenses, outstanding incomes. And what do you mean by current assets? Current assets means it is easily converted into the cash. Is called as current assets. Example is, see here, cash in hand, cash at bank, stock, bills receivable, debtors. Okay. In current assets, if you will less current liabilities means you will get working capital. Okay. What do you mean by working capital? Working capital means excess of current assets over the current liabilities. Means in current assets, if you will less, you will get working capital. Okay. Okay. Now we will understand what are the factors will affecting of working capital. Now we will understand factors affecting working capital requirement. Okay, these are all factors affecting of working capital. Okay, these are all factors. What are the means? Nature of business, scale of operation, business cycle, seasonal factor, production cycle, credit allowed, credit avoid, operating efficiency, availability of raw material, growth prospects, level of competition, inflations. Okay, these are all factors will affect. Okay, let us understand one by one now. Okay, nature of business. Nature of business and type of business. The first factor will affecting of working capital. Okay, and nature of business or type of business. Nature of business or type of business means we have two types in business. See here, one type is trading company or business. Second one is manufacturing company or industry. See here, in types of business we have two types, trading company and manufacturing company. Okay, the trading company required less capital. The trading company required less capital here, less working capital they need. Why means they no need to purchase raw material here. The trading company no need to purchase raw material. They want only large amount of labors only. They want only large amount of labors. They will not manufacturing the goods and services. They will purchasing the goods from manufacturing companies and they will maintain the stocks and after sale to the consumers. Is called as trading company. What is the trading company? Trading company is a business. It is purchased from the goods or products from manufacturing company and they will maintain the stock and after that they will sell to the consumers. Here they will not use raw materials, they will not use plant and machinery, they will not use equipment here. That's why they need less working capital here. Okay. Whereas in manufacturing companies, manufacturing company needs more working capital. They need more working capital. Manufacturing company. What is the manufacturing company? Last class also I told what is the manufacturing company. Manufacturing company is a business which is producing the goods and services with the help of plant and machinery equipments. They need raw material, they need plant and machinery, they need equipment. With the help of that they are going to produce the goods and services. Okay, that's why they need more working capital here. Okay, that's why they need more working capital. The trading company will not purchase the raw material. Manufacturing company will purchase the raw material. That's why they require more working capital here. This is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital. Okay, and next is second one is scale of operation. Scale of operation means the large scale operation. The large scale operation, we have two types here, large scale operation and small scale operation. We have two types. First one is large scale operation. Second one is small scale operation. Large scale operation and small scale operation. Large scale operation, they need more working capital here. Okay, they need here more working capital. They need more working capital here. Why means large scale operation, they need to maintain the stock. They need to maintain the stock and they need to maintain the raw materials. That's why they need more working capital. Whereas small scale operations needs less working capital. They needs here less working capital. See here. They needs here less working capital. Why? Because they will not maintain the stock in the company. They will not maintain the more stock in the company. The large scale operations will maintain the stock. That's why they need more working capital here. If they will not maintain, means no need, I think. That's why this is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital in the business. Okay. And next one is business cycle. Business cycle. I think all of you know business cycle. In business cycle, two periods is there. Boom period and depression period. We have two periods is there. Okay. And first one is boom period. Means demand period, means the product demands. Second one is depression period. Here have less demand or no demand here. They have here less demand. Here they have more demand. Okay. See here students, boom period means the products have here more demand. The products have here more demand. So at the time the company need to maintain the stock. They need to maintain the stock. They need to maintain the raw materials and they need to maintain the debtors also. That's why they require working capital here. That's why they require working capital here. Here they want more capital. Why? They need to maintain stock. They need to maintain raw material. They need to maintain the debtors. That's why they need more working capital here. Okay. That's why they require more capital. Why means they need to maintain stock. They need to purchase, they need to buy raw materials. And they need to maintain debtors. Okay. They need to maintain the debtors. That's why they need more working capital here. Okay. And here. Depression period. Depression period. Here they don't have demand. And even no need to maintain stock, no need to maintain raw material, no need to maintain debtors. That time they require only less working capital. They require here only less working capital. Why? Because no need to maintain stock, no need to maintain raw material, no need to maintain debtors. Why you want money? That's why here they want only less working capital. Okay, this is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital in the business. Okay, and next is seasonal factor. Next is seasonal factor. Seasonal factor are, we have two seasons. Means demand season, in peak stage season and low season. Example, cool drinks. When cool drinks will get more demand? When? Means in summertime. And in summertime they will get more cool drinks. At the time cool drinks demands will high. Now nobody will drink cool drinks, nobody will take ice cream also. So when the demand will get means in summertime only we will get the demand. Okay. Now we will understand here seasons. First it is peak season. Means demand is there. The season time. And low season. We have low season here. In peak season we require more capital. We require more capital. Why means they need to maintain the stock here. They need to sell the goods and services. They need to produce the products. They need to produce the products at that time only. Okay. More working capital required. What purpose they require means they need to maintain stock. They need to purchase material. They need to produce the goods and services. That's why they need more working capital here. But low season time, here they require less working capital. Why? Means they will not produce the goods and they will not produce the products here less. They will producing in small amount of products they will produce. That's why means the season will already went. In cool drinks, now it is winter season, we will not drink cool drinks as much. In summer season we will drink more, means that is season time. At the time they will produce the more, that's why they require more working capital. Now in this season we will not drink the more cool drinks, that's why we require less working capital. Okay, that's why we require less working capital. Okay, this is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital. Okay, the next one is production cycle. The next one is production cycle. Production cycle is a long than the working capital. Production cycle is long than the working capital, means at the time we require more working capital. Why? Means if the long time it will take producing the goods and services, means at the time we need more raw material. If they will take time to produce the goods and services, means at the time we need to maintain the stock. That's why we need more working capital. Okay, that's why we need more working capital. See here, if the production cycle is long term, means at the time we need more working capital. Why? Means we need to maintain the raw material, we need to maintain the stock. Okay, if the producing the products, means it will take time, means at the time we require more working capital here. Okay, if the production cycle is short, at the time we require less working capital. Why? Means they will produce early and they will sell early, they will get the more money. Means within the 6 months they will get. If product to producing, if they will take long time, means example 6 months they will take for producing, means at the time they will not get profit. That's why they need more working capital here. If the production cycle is short, means at the time we will get more working, at the time we will get the more profit, so we require less working capital. Okay, and next is credit allowed. Credit allowed means that if the company maintain liberal credit policy, if the company maintain liberal credit policy, means at the time they need less working capital. Okay, at the time they need less working capital. Credit allowed, if the company maintain liberal credit policy, credit policy means at the time we need less working capital. We need here less working capital. Okay, if company maintain very strict credit policy, okay, very strict credit policy they will maintain, means if the company maintain liberal credit policy means at that time they need more working capital. Why means here example I will sell the goods here. Okay, I will sell goods. Sell goods to Ram. Rupees 10,000. Okay. Ram will tell after 3 months I will pay 10,000. He will tell. At that time we will agree. When we are maintaining, when we are adopting liberal credit policy, at the time we will agree. Okay. When we are giving the all products are credit means at the time we will not get profit. That's why they require more working capital here. That's why they need more working capital here. See here strict credit policy. Strict credit policy means they will pay. They will sell the goods, but within the 15 days, within the 1 month, they have to pay the amount. If they will pay means at the time no need working capital, not required working capital. That's why they will use here less working capital. That's why they will use here less working capital. Otherwise, they will also here get more working capital here. Okay. Means liberal credit policy. They need more working capital. Why means here they will sold goods. After 1 month also if you will pay means they will take. Here it is liberal. Here it is very strict. Within that 1 month you have to pay means they have to pay. That is strict policy. Here liberal. Okay. This is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital in the business. And next is credit avoid. Credit avoid. If the organization, the supplier of the raw material, the supplier of raw material will giving long term, they will provide this facility means long term credit. If they will provide this facility means they need only less capital. They need only less working capital. Okay. If the company they will supplier of raw material will giving short term credit means they have to give, we require here more working capital here. Okay, see here the supplier of raw material. Okay, the supplier of raw material, they will provide this facility, long term credit facilities means today I will purchase, after 6 months I will pay means that is long term. If the seller will agree means, the supplier will agree means at the time we require less working capital. After 6 months means he can pay. Within 6 months we will gain the profit. In the profit we will give. Some companies, some suppliers will do short term credit. They require more credit. They require more working capital here. Why? Because we have to pay immediately. That's why here require more working capital here. This is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital. Next is operating they are getting more expenses. We are getting the more expenses, even loss also get. That's why they require here more working capital. They require more working capital. Either in short form working capital, you have to write in full form. Okay. See here, high degree of efficiency. If the company maintaining high degree of efficiency means we require here less working capital. Why? Because here less wastage. They are getting more profit. Why they need working capital? That's why they need only less working capital here. See, low degree of efficiency. Low degree of efficiency is there means at the time we are getting more expenses and losses. That's why they need more working capital here. Okay, this is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital here. Okay, the next one is availability of raw material. Availability of the raw material means if explain. Wait. Availability of the raw material. Okay. Here, if we will get raw material easily, if we will get the raw material, easily means we require less working capital. Why? They require only less working capital means no need to maintain stock here, because when we have demand, at the time only they will fulfill that demand means no need working capital, means we are using less working capital. If the raw material will get, it is getting difficult. Okay, if it is difficult means compulsory we need to maintain the stock here. Compulsory we need to maintain the stock. That's why we need here more working capital. We need here more working capital. Why means they have to maintain the stock. They have to maintain the stock. That's why they require more working capital here. This is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital in the business. Okay. Next is growth perspectives. The firm planning to expand the business. The firm is planning to expand the business. That's why they require more working capital. Okay. If they want to expand means they have to purchase more raw material, they have to maintain the stock, and they have to produce the more products. At the time they can expand the business. For that purpose they need more working capital here. Okay. For that purpose only they require more working capital here. If they want to expand means compulsory they need more working capital here. Okay. If they will not expand means they require only less working capital. Okay. And next is level of competition. Level of competition. If the company have competition means compulsory they need more working capital. They need here more working capital. If the company have competition means they need more working capital. If the company don't have any competition means they need less working capital. If they want to compete with others means compulsory they need to maintain the stock in the organization. Okay, compulsory they need to maintain the stock. Compulsory they have to produce the goods and services on time. They have to produce the products in on time. On time. and we have to produce the goods and services in on time. This is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital. Okay. The next one is, the last one is inflation. Inflation means, see here, inflation means raising the cost or increasing the cost. If increase the cost of raw material and labor cost, if it will increase means we need more capital, we need more working capital. If the cost price will increase, if the raw material cost will increase means we need more working capital. If the labor cost will increase means at the time we need more working capital. If it is not rising means at the time we require less working capital also. This is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital. And this is factors. I think all of you understood it is very easy. I think maybe they will ask for 8 marks. So you need to understand and you need to write. These are all points in your examination. I think maybe they will ask for 12 marks, sorry 8 marks. Okay. And these are all points. See here, nature of business, scale of operation, business cycle, seasonal factor, production cycle, trade allow, trade avoid, operating efficiency, availability of raw material, growth prospects, level of competition, inflation. Okay, these are all factors will affecting of working capital. Okay, it is very easy. See, I will give one overview here. Okay. Nature of business. In nature of business, we have two types: manufacturing companies and trading companies. Manufacturing companies need more working capital. Trading company, they need less working capital. Why means the trading company will not produce the goods and services. That's why they need only less working capital here. Okay. And scale of operation. The large scale operation companies needs more working capital. Why means they need to maintain the stock. That's why they need more working capital here. The large scale operations will require less working capital. Why means they will not maintain the stock here. Next, business cycle. In business cycle, we have two types: boom period and depression period. In boom period means demand period. Depression period means it is no demand. In boom period or demand period, we need to produce the goods and services more, and we need to maintain the stock, and we need to maintain the debtors. That's why we require more working capital here. Okay. And depression time. Depression time we need only less working capital. Why means no need to maintain the stock, no need to maintain the product, no need to maintain the even debtors, no need to produce the goods and services also. Okay. And this is also one factor we have to consider while deciding the working capital. Next is seasonal factor. And here we have two seasons. Means peak season and low season. Peak season means in seasonal time we have to maintain the stock, we have to produce the goods and services more. That's why we require more working capital. If the season will low, at the time they will not take. Example, Coca-Cola I told. In winter season no one drink the Coca-Cola. Someone will drink but no demand. That's it. In summer season they will get the more demand. That's why they produce the more and more cold drinks on that time. So when season is there means at that time we require more working capital here. Okay. And next is production cycle. If the production cycle is long means at the time we require more working capital. If the production cycle is short means at the time we require less working capital. And next is credit allowed. Okay, credit allowed. Liberal trade policy. If we are maintaining means at the time we require more working capital. Next one is credit award. Credit award means the company. Example, the supplier. Okay. If the supplier of the raw material, they have long-term credit policy, means they are giving long-term credit, means at the time we require less working capital. Means after 6 months I will pay, means if they will agree, means at the time we require less working capital only. If within that 15 days we have to pay, means at the time we require more working capital. Next is operating efficiency. If the high operating efficiency is there, means we require less working capital. Why? Means here have less wastage. Here expenses will not incurred. That's why they require only less working capital. If the small or low degree efficiency is there, means they require more working capital. Why? Means they need working capital at the time. Okay. Next is availability of the raw material. Availability of raw material here. Okay. Availability of the raw material means, example, if the raw material is available, means at the time we can require only less working capital only we require. Okay. Why? Means if the raw material get easily, means no need to maintain the stock. That's why we need only less working capital. If the raw material will not available on time, means we need to maintain the stock. That's why we require more working capital here. I explained, I think. Okay. See students, it is very important. Okay. Next it is growth perspectives. The firm planning to expand the business, means they need to maintain the stock and they have to produce the goods and services. For that purpose they need more working capital. Okay. And next it is level of competition. The level of competition means here if the company have competition, means see here if the company have competition, means they require more working capital. Why? Means they need to maintain the stock, they need to produce the goods and services. That's why they require more working capital. If there is no working capital, if there is no competition, means at the time they require less working capital. Okay. And the last one is inflation, means the cost price, the rise in the cost here. If the raw material cost will increase or cost of labor will increase, at the time we require more working capital. If the raw material cost is less, labor cost is less, means at the time we require less working capital only. Okay. I think all of you understood. These are all points. Okay students. Today I am going to end this chapter. Okay. We learned already fixed capital and working capital, capital structure, dividend decision, investment decisions, and what do you mean by financial planning? What are the factors affecting our financial planning? And what do you mean by financial management? Definition of the financial management, importance, limitations we discussed in this chapter. Okay. Today I am going to wind up this